Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. Pictures by Eric Carl.
Bear.
Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Grrr. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Tweet, tweet. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Yay. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Ribbit. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Meow. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Bah. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 children. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, grrr, a red bird, tweet, tweet, a yellow duck, quack, quack, a blue horse, a green frog, ribbit, a purple cat, meow, a white dog, ruff, ruff, a black sheep, bah, a goldfish, bloop, 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 and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end.
And bear, that's bad word.